We will unlock the portal in Brookhaven. So first, wait guys. Okay, so go to the hospital first. Go to the hospital. Faster. And go up here. Go at this break glass and go in here. Click this agency poster and you will summon in fire. Next, let's go to the library. So we're in library. Go jump here and you will see a book. And you cannot read it. Let's go to the next step. So we're in. So go spawn a. Oh wait. Go spawn in. You will see you spawn haunted house. First go in here. And you will see a mysterious book. Go click it and read it. Three times. There you go. And go click this no picture. Okay. If you hear that sound, and there go this, and click in here. This is so hard. Oh my god, this is so hard. Wait, first let's remove our item. So I click it just like that and click it like that. So let's go in. Let's go. So go in here and go in here. And you will see this later. Top secret. Go to the tree. Just like that. If you hear that sound, it's working. Just all destroyed all this. I will cut the video. Okay, just the last one. And we activate the power portal. Just go in here. Follow my steps, okay? Go live in agency base. Go at that mountain. Let's go in here. And go in here. And you activate an agency portal. So let's go. Wait. You can swim because there is some water. So that's all. Subscribe, please.